Yo. What up? Who's out here? Who's out here? I wonder if less people are going to get the notification because I just uploaded a video like an hour ago. Who's out here? Who's out here? Who's out here? Hot Shot, Great Dane, Bowser, Carbonite, Elaine, Danny Sebas, TD Trades, Sammy Roger, Pinching a Loaf, Steve One, Yash. Yeah, Yash, I got you, bro, after the stream. Hashtag after the stream. Keegan, K Spec, McLovin, Roger Stein. What up, Kenny? Lee, Dutchy, Holy Earth, Corey. Yeah, no problem, bro. Good luck with that account. My bad. I didn't even see it. That's the crazy thing. You were still like unread, like down like 10 fucking messages. So my bad on that. And then Zell was being a little bitch yesterday. I'm like, are you fucking serious? But I was able to get it over to you. Vero, Marco, Martin, Cyberpie, Nick T, David Schneider, Peter Schaap, Marcine, Isaac, Sven, 3 paws. What up, Sweden? Yeah, this shit is this price action fucking blows. D Trades, AS. Yo, AS, you didn't hit me up. Yo, you won yesterday. You gonna claim that shit or what? Vladimir, Eric J, JC Trades, Trading Apex with the best code. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Isaac, legit. I got another My Fund the Future up to 1,400, but they can just asking 1K. They're gonna take 10% from you. Oh, you're at the point where you've gotten that many payouts. I don't know, man. Is it a different account or is it another account? The same account. Nice job. Hey. All right, cool, AS. Maximus, what up? I don't know, man. You know me. I always tell you, take whatever's available. Because what happens? All right, so let's say, if you take 1,000, you'll leave yourself with what? $300 of drawdown. Who's to say you're not going to fuck that up? I'm not saying you won't. I'm not saying you will, but if you do, you're going to be like, fuck, man, I should have just taken it all. But I get it. I know why. You want to give yourself a fighting chance to grow the account back up and get another payout. I get it. Me personally, I'm taking it all. I don't care what happens after. LQ, what up? Micah. Yeah, exactly. What Micah said, man. King, what up? Slick, Rick, the ruler, Corey. Cool, man. I'm glad you saw it. Yeah, I just did that before I hopped on. Yeah, exactly, bro. Yeah, so there you go, man. That $200 could grab an account anywhere. You could grab two that 200 you take today, you could grab 2 fucking 25K take profit trader accounts. Veronica, Shari, JK, 828, Harjeet. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. You know me, because I've done it before where I was like, I'll just take this much. And then I fucking ended up blowing the account anyway. So I'm always like, just take whatever's available. That's just me. Let me finish logging into all my fucking accounts. I'll show you the dumb fuck shit I did last night. I was so fucking pissed. If anybody was hanging out in the Discord with me when it was happening, you'll know how fucking pissed I was. And I literally was like, fuck this. I'm going to sleep. I'm not fucking trading anymore until I haven't traded yet. I'm still fucking mad about what I did. I'm such a dumb fuck. The dumbest fuck. Some shit I don't know. I just feel like I'm still, certain things are just, certain habits I'm trying to break are just it's just taking longer than I had expected. You know, it's just taking longer than I want. the timeline on some of these habits I'm working on breaking is just taking longer, and it's really pissing me the fuck off. So that's where I'm at. I'm going to turn my screen on just a second. I got to log into one more fucking account. It's just fucking annoying. You know what I'm saying? You'll see when I show it. Oh my God. And I missed 2 fucking 618 rejections just before that I could have fucking, got a $100 day in that brand new My Fund the Futures account that I passed yesterday. So I'm just like annoyed about that too today. Like I was like, oh my God, I can't believe I fucking missed that. One of them dropped how many points? 50 points. Another one just dropped what? 48 to fucking, 80 fucking points. All right, let me turn my screen on. Oh, I got to do one other thing. The good news is I didn't trade my Apex account that I requested a payout on. I'm not that fucking stupid. I learned. I only needed one time to learn about that. I don't even think I've ever fucked myself out of a payout doing that. That's the one thing I'm just not I do dumb shit, and I'm still pending. I hear people getting approved like the next fucking day, and I'm over here pending. God damn it. Let me, I got to drop the link in the Discord for the DCA gang too. One more thing. Where we at? At everyone. Yo. Gotta let the DCA gang know in case they're not aware. And then I do, hey ladies, when I hit the ladies up in the ladies room, give them a little wink. Lee, what up? P Shenanigan, K9, Maximus. What account are we speaking of? What account aren't we speaking of? iTrade. Need coffee over here, JK. Yeah, Nate, Nasty Nate, Juan Wick, Konija. You almost there? Markman. What up, Smoke, aka Warrior? Yeah, last night was just fucking annoying. Last night was annoying, and it hasn't really changed in terms of the price action. Jacob Hodge, what up? Yo, that's great, bro. That's what I heard. I heard it's super fast on the new dashboard. I haven't even gotten the invite yet. They'll invite me on the show like fucking 10 times, 12 times, but not to the new dashboard. I guess my email's not wasn't in the batch. Honest Take, what up? Nice, bro. Nice. Yeah, see, I'm fucking positive with Top Step. I'm green. I pushed myself over last month with the payouts that I had. All right. Turning these fucking screen share on. Share my screen. As we proceed. V33. Oh, got to 2,900 twice. Konija. You're right there. Martman. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. You have to purchase new accounts to get the dashboard? Like from, what do you mean? Like from another email or just, I mean, I've gotten new accounts, but all right, let's start with fucking Top Step. So what up, Stephen Cox? So I had 3 funded accounts 2 days in, right? Just wanted to get my 3rd day in. And what do? This is part of my issue. I can't just fucking stop trading and you know what? It's not happening. This price action is bullshit. I keep getting fucking played. I keep getting yo-yoed around, or I'm just wrong. I need to fucking stop and then take a breather from this shit and maybe go back to it later or just leave it for the rest of the day. But no, I can't fucking do that because I'm a dumb fuck. So I had a leader and a follower. So these are gone. I mean, these are blown evals, combines from whenever. They're just still in there. But, it's just so fucking annoying. So fucking annoying. And then my Take Profit Trader, I didn't do anything bad to my Take Profit Trader. I'm still waiting for Take Profit Trader to take the money out. They haven't taken the money out of the account. So needless to say, I'm not fucking touching this. I'm actually going to set my daily loss limit in case I accidentally take a trade. I'm going to set, I can't set a daily loss limit in here. Fuck me. Bangers, what up? Roberto, So anyway, I was fucking around with this account. I don't even know what I was doing. I don't even care if I blow this. Do you guys know that if you've never used My Funded Futures before, if you've never had a My Funded Futures account, you could get a new account for any type of account for 50% off right now using the best code ZERODAYJAY. They still have the 20% off resets. Apparently, they're putting the daily loss limit back on the starter accounts because too many people are doing crazy shit, and they don't approve of it. But yeah, right now, if you've never had an account with My Funded Futures and you've been thinking about trying them out, you can be all in with a funded account for as little as $48.50 right now, because the starters are $97, and if you've never had an account and you're doing it for the first time, you can get a starter account for $48.50, pass it, and not have to pay an activation fee. There's no activation fee on evals. So, or if you wanted to get an expert account, expert accounts are expensive, but now they're kind of cheap if you've never had an account with them before. But you could get a starter account for $48.50, pass it on the first try, not pay an activation fee, and then push it to a fucking max payout potentially of $1,200 and do it, what, how many more times? Yeah, I know, King. They are doing 20% off resets, which is pretty good too. What up, Joker? So that's that. I wanted to take this account short, and I missed both opportunities because I wasn't paying attention, or I didn't have the computer with me, or whatever the fuck I was doing. We rejected off the 618 twice. Look right here. Once, twice. From the high to the low, we came back up to the 618, rejected here. We bounced off the VWAP and this trend line. All right, so what else did I do wrong? Well, let me show you what else I did good. This is day 7. I requested yesterday. I don't know if any of you were aware of that. Some of you guys were, because I did a payout request party. Still fucking pending. So I requested 2,000 there. This one's on day 7, number 271. Obviously, I'm not going to touch 269. 271's on day 7. So tomorrow will be day 8. I got to get one more fucking flip day in, and then I'm going to request Friday after the stream, after the market closes, whenever the drop down appears. Vladimir, Apple and Amazon. Monica! Adrian Lorenzo's rolling his benzo. I'm probably going to get a couple more Take Profit Trader accounts today, but I haven't been able to trade this account. I did request. I'm just waiting on them to give me my money. I requested $720. Was that what it was? Let's see. Yeah, here it is. So I'm just waiting. They have to move it into my wallet. I'm not touching that account until it gets moved into my wallet. And then I move on to my I traded my bulenox account too. I got this up. This was a roller coaster ride. I got this up $323 and I stopped. I do have another one that I passed. I have to activate another one. I might do that now. What up, stock, cars, and bets? And then I after blowing, I was fucking with gold. This is how I blew this. I was trading gold. That's how I blew these 3. And then I was so fucking pissed about that. I went into my Apex account and I traded one of my PAs. I traded gold with my PA. Look at this. You see that? 282. Got this shit up. Day 4 locked. $605. I'm at 3,465 in profit. Oh, I got my flip days in for these 3. So day 6 is in the books for these 3. These are in max payout land as well. Day 6 in the books. Day 7 is tomorrow. Day 8 is Monday. So I'll be requesting 6,000 on Monday. I requested 2,000 yesterday. I'll be requesting 2,000 tomorrow. So that's 10,000 I'll be requesting between yesterday and through Monday. I don't see why. I have all the confidence I'll get approved on all of them because I didn't violate any rules that I know of. Unless I violated something fucking around flipping minis on the flip days. But I didn't though. I don't think I did. But I got in a trade. I either won a trade or I lost a trade. So that's, you see this? All right, let me show you what it looks like now. Oh, and you see these? 83, 84, 85, 86. These were up like $2,261 after 2 days. Now look at them. Now look at these fucking accounts. Here's 282. What a dumb fuck I am. Here's 282. I just wanted to get a little more. I was like, oh, I could get $500 more, or just a little bit more to fucking push it to max payout land through 4 days and then get my $50 day tomorrow. And what do? I fucking blow it like a dumb fuck. I thought I was done doing that shit. I thought I was fucking done with that shit. What a stupid fuck. This could have been a potential another $2,000 fucking dollars next week. I'm so fucking pissed about that still. And then I went and blew these 4. Could not fucking I just couldn't win. I literally lost every fuck. This I did. I went to the gym and I came back. I started trading. I thought I saw something. And the shit was whipsawing around, fucking with me hard. NQ, gold, didn't matter what it was. And it didn't matter what I did. I'm so fucking, and then after that, I shut the fucking shit off and I went to bed. I was so fucking pissed. Between before I went to the gym and after I went to the gym, I did all that. So fucking pissed. This was up $605. What a dumb fuck. John Q. These are my PAs, yeah. Rick. Where did that happen on the chart? I mean, bro, I don't even remember where. It was last night at some point. Let's see if I can find it. Right around here. Oh, I was waiting for this drop below the VWAP. I was waiting for this, and I just ran out of fucking drawdown. And then, of course, right after it happens, it was this shit right here. This is where I got totally, I fucked myself. But I was fine. What's wrong with $605 fucking dollars? Nothing. Stupid fuck. So fucking annoyed about that. I'm still annoyed about it. Here I am telling you that I'm requesting 10 grand, right? I'm requesting 10 grand. I got 2,000 already requested. I got another 2,000 going on Friday. And then Monday, I'm going to request 6,000. There's your 10 grand. I just got 896 net from Take Profit Trader the other day. I'm waiting on 720. What is this net? 720 times 0.8. So I'm going to get another 576 from Take Profit Trader. And here I am still fucking mad about this because it was just dumb shit. Dumb fuck shit. Adams Juan, what up? What up, Ree? F4. Baja, Tuanon, what up? I haven't traded yet since. Stock, cars, and bets. Yeah, I know what you mean. McLovin. It's 5 days of $50 or more. If you're over the buffer and you didn't violate the consistency rule, you could flip the next 3 days, which is what I'm doing. Yo, Jim Blob, what up? Crypto student. F4. Franny. Well, you do have to trade for a minimum of 8 days. It is a minimum of 8 days. I'm still trading. I'm just flipping. You see these? I got my flip day in on these. I don't need to push the account anymore. Jonathan Trentwell, what up? You traded anyway, bro? So did you just unpay yourself? Yeah, mine didn't get deducted either. I waited and waited and waited. I was like waiting for the fucking thing to fucking let me do it. It wouldn't update. It didn't update. Then I passed out, woke up at like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, and then I was finally able to request it, but they haven't taken it out. So I'm just waiting. I don't need to trade this shit. And look at the way, dude, this price action's been awful all fucking day. You're just asking to fuck yourself on a day like today. Matt O'Rourke. Oh, dumb mistakes on Apex PAs? All right. Matt O'Rourke, what up, good? What up, kid? Yeah, King delay. The My Fund the Futures delay deal for Re. It's only for new customers. 50% off any size, anything, any size, any type of account. 50% off if you've never had an account with them before. It's actually a good deal. You guys want to check it out? My link is in the description below, but I'm going to drop it right here. 20% off resets for existing customers for any account, any eval reset that's less than 30 days old. You could reset them for 20% less, which is good too. Here's my link. What is my preference between bulenox and Apex? Apex. And then these are rebills that fucking came through that I didn't really want, but whatever. I'll fuck with them. I'll fuck with them. And I had this My Fund the Futures account I haven't traded yet. This funded account, I want to trade it. I want to get my $100 day in, but this shit's fucking moving around like crazy. Oh fuck, my bad. I didn't put my link in there. If you use the best code ZERODAYJay, you could get that deal for My Fund the Futures. If you want to support the channel, of course. Apex is only 50% off right now. Bulenox is still 91% off. I just don't know if the sale ended. The sale expired, and then they extended it until the end of tomorrow. Let's see if they got back to me. Yep. Yeah, so 91% off Bulenox. They actually extended it. 91% off Bulenox until option 150Ks or bigger until the end of tomorrow. Here's my link. Take Profit Trader still 30% off with no activation fee when you use the best code ZERODAYJ. Such a great fucking deal. It's such a great deal, for real. For real. For real. Hide your kids, hide your wife, and trade day still 40% off. Anything. You could get a 50K intraday drawdown account from trade day and you can get paid every day with them for 40% off. I think it says as little as $75. $75 for that account. Best code for all this shit. For Take Profit Trader. Apex 50% off. I'm sure they're going to do something soon. My Funded Futures with that awesome new deal. Bulenox still 90% off until the end of tomorrow and trade day. Josh, what up? Good job, bro. Really awesome fucking job. Is that a day one? Is that a day one? I love day ones like that. The biggest day one I've ever got on a Top Step XFA is 2,500. Why do I prefer Apex over Bulenox? Because you could take out more money. And I have a Bulenox account. I trade with Bulenox. It's 8 days instead of 10 days. Really, it's 5 days if you could get the job done before, and through 5 days. And you could take out more money. But if I had to choose right now, just based on dollars and cents, I would go with Bulenox because you could get 50K accounts for $15.75. So your all-in cost for a Bulenox account is about $164. $164 all in. Right now with Apex, it would be like 180 or more, at least 180 or 165 or whatever, depending on what platform you're using. So today, if I had to choose one or the other, I'd probably go with Bulenox because it's cheaper. And I just haven't had much success with Bulenox yet. I have 4 days in. I'm up $2,100 in this account. I haven't been able to go the distance and get 10 days in. I have 4 days in. I'm halfway. I'm not even halfway in terms of days, but in terms of dollars and cents, I'm halfway. I need to get 10 days in before I can request. And the most I can request is 1,500. If I get to 3,600, which is 1,000 over the buffer, I can request 1,000. If I'm at 3,600 through like day 9 or 10, I'm probably just going to, just stop there just so I can get my first ever payout with them. Is it uncapped? I don't think it's uncapped. Is it uncapped? Oh, well, I mean, yeah. They also have if you just go on a heater and you have all these funded accounts with them, you'll never be able to take out more than 400,000. And they're going to push you to a live account before you get anywhere near that. Whereas with Apex, you'll never be able to experience a Jade Cap or Man Beer type or what's that guy's name? John. You'll never be able to take out a $2 million payout from fucking Bulenox. They just change their terms to make sure it never happens. But yeah, I mean, Adams Wong, I get it, bro. But sometimes I have trouble getting to 8 days, let alone fucking 10. And I've had more success with Apex, much more success. Mr. Begbeef, what up? They do. Trade Day has an activation fee of $139. Same amount for any type of account, any size. Just ain't right. What up? Mwah. And Apex, people will say Apex doesn't pay their traders, but all I see is people getting paid by Apex. So let's see if I'm getting paid. I'm still pending. This thing hasn't even gone on the review yet. Could be a day or two before I even get an answer, but whatever. I'll just keep playing. I'll just keep hitting refresh. Miss Goody, Newts, Uncle Mo. I'm gonna grab more take profit trader accounts. Well, hell yeah, I'm gonna grab more. Believe me, I go through take profit trader accounts quite quite heavily. Last month, I activated so many funded take profit trader accounts last month. They wouldn't let me activate more. I had to wait because they have a rule where you can't activate more than 10 in a rolling 30-day period. So just imagine how many evals I went through to get to that. I'm probably gonna get more now. I'm not feeling this fucking price action. It's not gonna do shit until, wow, look at gold. It's not gonna do shit until earnings. Did gold come down to this? Yeah, right. Gold is trying to come down here. We got Amazon and Apple earnings. I'm still fucking pissed off about this one. 282. What about, I don't like these? Yeah, these suck too because the bounces were high. But you know what? I wasn't going to get paid the first time around anyway because I blatantly violated the 30% rule like 4 times. Like, just like P. Diddy violated Meek Mills. I violated the 30% rule. Hardcore, like hard. No spit. No lube. No oil. Drewski. Yeah, it's gonna. What time is Apple and Amazon? Peter Schaap in the building. Yeah, Newts, I'm still waiting, bro. So, I can't trade the account. Probably better off not trading. What up, Chad? I just need to breathe and relax. That's right. Lots of breathing and relaxing. Can you put Michaels on a take profit trader eval paralysis? Yes. The way I do it with take profit trader is I play half for smash because they have the 50% consistency rule. So I try to get to the profit target as quickly as possible, 2 or 3 days, and then I flip the rest of the way. How long has it been? Are you asking me or asking Peter? What up, Benny? Apple's usually at 4:30. What about Amazon? Smash the like button for Peter Shaft. For Trevor LeConte. 50K, 2,600. Yeah. 10 minimum trade. You could pass in one day. Peter Shaft, you could pass in one day, but you have to trade for at least 10 days. I think you could flip like 2 or 3 days. 2 days, maybe, I think, if you get to the profit target on a funded account. Yeah. It's a little bit more. It's basically, bulenox is basically like what Apex used to be, but now they also have a buffer. Dudes, yeah, bro. Amazon should be right at 4 o'clock. Thanks, Micah. I'm just working my fucking hand till over here. Trying to get this fucking finger to bend more. All right. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Like, this shit is all over the place. It goes down, it comes back up. I don't like this fucking price action. Let me and I set daily loss limits on these. So like if by accident I trade one of these by accident, I can't blow them. I think my daily loss limit's like $5. What about my take profit trader account, AS? I still have it. I just haven't touched it. I'm waiting for them to take the money out. They haven't taken the money out yet. So I'm not touching this fucking thing. I'll get another eval. I'll get one right now. Or 2. I do have to activate my bulenox funded account. This price action fucking blows. It fucking blows. Look, see, we just went up. Now we're going back down. Like, it doesn't know what the fuck it wants to do. It's probably going to do this until we get closer to 4 o'clock. What the fuck? I'm looking for something. This is what I'm saying. Like, what the fuck is this? What is this shit? What is this shit? I'm annoyed that I missed this 618 rejection twice. That shit really grinds my gears, you know? We're just sitting here waiting patiently, I guess, for earnings. I mean, I'm sure in the next 10 minutes it's going to start getting crazy. But I mean, what the fuck is this shit? What is this? What is this? All right. Trevor LeConte's here. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. MOBA, what up? They just changed their terms about like they could. It's up to their discretion. They said to push you to a live account after a certain amount of payouts, and they capped you out at 400,000. You can never grow a funded account bigger than 400,000. I think total balance. They saw Apex just pay out $5 million basically to two people, and they don't want to fucking do that. So they changed their terms. Yeah, I don't know, AS. It did. I was waiting, dude. I was waiting and waiting and waiting. I'm like, come on. They probably did that so people don't cash in on earnings, bro. You know what I mean? I don't know. Because the other night, the day I pushed it over the buffer to get a day one payout, that shit was ready at after 10 o'clock Eastern. After 10 o'clock Eastern, you could request. I got the money in my wallet like 30 minutes after I requested. I was like, fuck yeah. And then last night, it just never showed. 10 o'clock came around, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock a.m. Eastern rolled around and still nothing. I'm like, and I was already fucking annoyed about what I did to my Apex account. So I was like, fuck this. And then I woke up because one of my dogs had to go out. And I checked and I was like, oh, finally. And I requested, and it's still sitting in there. But I do have two more fucking evals. So yeah. Yay. Yay for me. Yay, I got mail. Is this bouncing here? Or are we going to reject off the VWAP? We got the VWAP here. We got this pivot point here. I don't know. This shit looks like ass. Let's look at a bigger time frame. Here's the hourly. Plus, we were over 20,000. They should dump Amazon anyway after that fucking fake fucking bullshit launch. The Blue Origin space launch thing. They should just dump the stock because of that. What a fucking joke and embarrassment that was. Cody Mullins. You could reset that for 20% off. Yeah, it's only good for one use. It's only good for a brand new account. But Cody, you could reset that. They have 20% off resets up to 3 uses, which is pretty cool too. Tony. Tony, what up? What time is earnings? Amazon is like right after the market closes at like 4:05, and then Apple's around 4:30. Yeah, Newts, yeah. You would think that, yeah. Yeah, I guess it's a mix. It doesn't cost them any money when people unpay themselves, but it costs them money when someone fucking catches it and they're right. McLovin, that was the biggest bunch of bullshit ever. I don't want to talk about it because YouTube already fucking shadow bans the shit out of me as it is. If you actually think those fucking ladies went anywhere in that thing, I have a fucking bridge to sell you. Alfred Sicoli, what up? What happened? You requested 1640 times 2? Good job. If that's what you're what up, Sammy? What happened to the Apex accounts? Oh, I still have all of my funded accounts that I'm going to request payouts on, but I fucked this one up after being out. I was up $605, and I tried to get a little more after saying day 4 locked. Those fucking all, especially like Katy Perry, those fucking, and I bet all of them, they're all like, oh, the environment, my climate change. How dare you? It's that and the other thing. And then they go and they supposedly go up in a fucking rocket launch. What a waste of fucking fuel if that thing went anywhere. We all know the rocket went somewhere. Don't fucking tell me about the fucking environment and fucking climate change and all this bullshit when you're pretending to be in a spaceship. Roger, yeah, Kenny, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Get the fuck out of here. And then you could see when they're rolling up to it, when they're pulling up to it, they showed them like laying in the fucking seats or whatever, and you could see a fucking dummy's arm. Not a dummy like a stupid person, a dummy like where you dress up at a fucking Macy's in the fucking women's clothing department. Jim Blob. Yeah, and Epstein didn't kill himself. I mean, Epstein killed himself, and so did Virginia Giuffre. How would you say her name? Virginia Giuffre killed herself too. Yeah, okay. They killed themselves, and Katy Perry just scraped the edge of just the tip of outer space. Yeah, okay. Yeah, first of all, that's another thing about the space capsule. The fucking door. Remember, he walks up to the door. He walks up to the door with this huge fucking like wrench or whatever, and he goes to start manipulating it to open the door, and it just like falls over. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that shit was airtight, huh? First of all, they learned not to fucking make the door open inward fucking 50 years ago when they were pretending to go to space. It's supposed to open outwards. Get the fuck out of here. Micah. Oh, yo, I love it. Micah's playing with house money. I love it, bro. Big Dave, what up? Tristan. Maybe I'm base. Maybe it's just common fucking sense. Common sense isn't very common, though. Mystic Rick, what up? Live Records. Yeah, what was that? How much was that, Micah? A 25K funded account reset at Take Profit Trader is like 450, 449. Yeah. That yo, Stephen Cox, yeah, the space capsule was fucking, that was the other thing. The space capsule was fucking immaculate. Like it never even, like it just came out of the showroom. JT, what up? Pablo Horskapar, what up, kid? See, like, I just don't like this. I mean, it bounced here. I mean, it is a 40-point bounce, but it's just all over the place. I don't know. I'm just not feeling this shit. We're getting close, though. Hold on. Here's what we're going to do. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to fuck around. We're going to fuck around to find out. I think it's going to drop, actually, but I'll go long here. What's the spread? 3 to 4 ticks. It can't get over this area. It keeps hitting its head on this area and then rejecting. But obviously, I wonder if these algo candles are going to be nothing burgers because of earnings about to happen. Mr. Begbeef, what up, Mitch? Yash. It never happened, McLovin. Never happened in 1969 either. Stanley Kubrick is rolling over in his fucking grave with that Blue Origin bullshit. Maybe I should. I don't know, Ree. Cyberpie, what up? See that? Nothing burger. Nothing burger. Now it's starting to go down. Okay. Well, I was wrong, but it didn't cost me anything. It's funny. I said I think we're going to go down, and we did, and I wanted to play along. What a dumb fuck. I'm such a dumb fuck sometimes. Yeah, I kept saying, I said it keeps hitting its head on this level right here. And what do? I fucking put an order in to go long. I could have had one pass right there. Dr. T, what up? 405 for Amazon and 430 for Apple, I think. Stanley Kubrick always dropped hints in his movies, too, about all that shit. Fucking such an idiot, bro. 60-point drop. And I said it's probably going to go down, and I have a fucking order to go long. What a dumb fuck. Just say this is just how it's been like this. At least I didn't lose anything on that. Is it going to keep going down, or are we going up here? Where's the low? Oh, the low is way down here at 805. Is it going to get through all of this, or is it going to bounce off any of that? Just a casual 90-point drop right there. Is this going to fake me out? I don't even need that much. Fuck. Hit it! Oh my God, did I have it? Why does that fucking keep happening to me? Fucking piece of shit. $68. I didn't do the math right anyway, but it wasn't enough. Fucking bullshit. On fucking real. 401 for Amazon. Monica, what do you want to see? I'm not touching this account. I'm waiting to get paid. I requested the payout. I didn't get taken out yet. I said that before. Where were you? Bowser, Maxwell. Go to bed. Nah. Don't worry about all that. I requested 2,000 yesterday. I'm requesting 2,000 tomorrow. I'm requesting 6,000 on Monday. Okay. I blew some accounts. Let's all go to bed. And now I'm playing Passive Smash with Apex evals. Here's the 54-minute candle. Huh. Core is gonna fucking drop. You piece of shit. Go to bed. Go to bed, guys. You have some red days. Go to bed. I didn't trade. I barely traded at all. The fuck you talking about, son? What up, Alfred? Coffee buff. Yeah, I heard about that, dude. People's That's actually pretty funny. It's a 1255 candle. Of course I didn't get filled. Just walk away. Go to sleep. Monica, thank you. Just walk away. Go to sleep, Monica. Go to bed. What up, Ralph? Wow. Yo, AS, stop talking about my mom. I should just stop trading. I just got paid, what, 896 yesterday? 896 in my bank account yesterday. I got what was it? 720 times 0.8. Another 576 coming. I requested 2,000 yesterday. That's fucking coming. I'm requesting 2,000 on Friday. I'm requesting 6,000 on Monday. I should just go to bed. No, I haven't been up for 24 hours, bro. I actually got a fuck ton of sleep, dog. I got more sleep last night going into today than I've had in like the last week. Lee, what up? We're at the bottom orb already. We're at yesterday's high of day. Look at that. Yesterday's high of day right there. Look at that 618 rejection. $150 points off the 618. This is the hourly chart, though. So it wasn't a smooth move. Smooth moves, guys. Here is what is this? The low of New York? Here's the New York low. Is it going to fucking retest the low of New York? That's actually the low. I think that's the low of day. No, it's not the low of day. The low of New York, what is that? The low of New York is at 860. The low, yesterday's high is at 880. Coach HID. Nice job. Hey, Konija, good job. Just get it done tomorrow or later. Hey, Coach HID. I think Maxwell's trying to look out for me. He thought I was up. He thought I was pulling an all-nighter. I was like, what are you talking about, dude? I actually got too much sleep, I think. Oh, the bottom of the New York orb brick? Yeah. Hold on. I have that open somewhere. Yeah, right here. You got the bottom orb in New York, and you got the fucking previous day's high. Well, didn't give a fuck about the orb. Let's see if it gives a fuck about the previous day's high. Let's see what happens here. It might go down to the New York low. The low of New York is here at 1860. Oh, 860. Sorry, guys. 860. I'm going to put an order in another account at 860. Watch it come up here and then reject. It's going to fill me, come up here, and then fucking back and reject it. I should pay attention to that other account. Hold on, let's see. It came down to 860. 61. Hit it, you fuck. Hey, we did it. That's one. There's one. Let's go back to this one. Is it going to go back down? So we bounced off the New York low. Oh, this shit's starting to get crazy. It might just move around too much because I might blow this just because of the size. Because the way, see the way it's fucking, the candles are moving. 1 for 2 on pass to smash. Probably soon to be 1 to 3. 1 for 3. It's gonna, yo, aren't they about to drop earnings? Let's see if it fucking goes up. I'm worried about the shitty fill. Oh, that one's blown. What happened to the other one? What happened to the other one? Oh, 52,929. Did I blow one? Oh, I blew one. No. What happened to 65? What? I'm so confused. What the fuck just happened? I don't even know what just happened. 63, 64, 60. I don't even know what I just did. What did I just do? Did I unpass one? Fuck me. I unpassed one. Yo, I didn't fucking change to the next account. I'm so fucking stupid. I got all this sleep and I'm still fucking exhausted. Damn, Amazon's getting wrecked. How far down do we go? There's the bottom orb. You fucking piece of shit. Fucking piece of shit, man. I can't believe I did that. Fuck my life, man. Fuck my life. Can I at least get this one fucking done? Jesus Christ. All right. Well, we made up for it. Jesus fucking Christ. All right. That's going to drop more. That's the bottom orb from the open. Playing half for smash. Don't go down. I guess Amazon's earnings were bad. Well, this account's cooked. Go up. Doesn't necessarily want to go down yet. It's probably going to dump. I can't believe I unpassed that other account. How many times have you seen me do that? All right, that one's cooked. How many times have you seen me unpass an account? Oh, fuck. What are we doing here? Is that it? Come on, hit it. Hit that shit. Are you fucking serious? Oh. What are we doing here? How fucking close was I? What is this? 95. I had 12 points. Pretty much almost 1,500. And then it fucking couldn't hit my take profit. Little bitch. Fuck, man. I guess this is cooked now too. Fuck. Oh, that sucks. Oh, well. Now it's going to pump. You ready for the pump, guys? You ready for the fucking pump? Jesus fucking Christ. Fucking cocksucker. There we go. I had to activate this. Let's fuck around and find out what this fucking thing. So Amazon dropped right here. 160 points. What if Apple's bad too? This thing's gonna fucking dump. Jeez. Jeez. Here it goes. Yeah. Here's the fucking pump. How many points was that? 57, 20 something points. Probably gonna. I mean, it could just dump some more. All right, let's see. Watch it. Now it's gonna dump. Of course it is. It's probably gonna pump after this account gets fucked. Damn. Wrong again. It's amazing I get payouts with how bad of a fucking trader I am. We'll see. We'll see. FX Cartel, Trading for Keeps, Mr. Begbeef, Vince, Crowdgenics, Nathan Fuller. Nice job, bro. Oh, man, you got a case of fucking post-payout degenerate syndrome. At least you got paid. Damn, we got 342 people on here. Sorry, I was like fucking spaced out watching this shit. What's up, everybody? If I didn't say hi to you guys that popped in later, I'm sorry. Keith S., what up? Navita. Yeah, I still got both of those Welcharge PAs. I still got them right here. I just didn't. This one, I'm waiting on my payout request to be approved or denied. And then this one, I got day 7, and tomorrow's going to be day 8. And then I'll request another payout on that one. What are we doing here? Yeah, I guess Apple didn't do so good. Cryogenic. Is it? I mean, not Apple, Amazon. This shit is crazy. Big Dave. Who's that? Who else is here? I missed. What up? Whatever. Eric J. Lee, you could pass the smash any Apex. I mean, obviously you don't want to play pass the smash on a whatchamacallit, on a funded account, right? Because you have consistency rule issues and you have scaling rules. Get the fuck up there. Hit my take profit. Let me lock some in here before it decides to change. Before it changes its mind and comes back down. Watch it come down to my fucking. Yeah, look. It's gonna come down. It's gonna come down to my fucking my stop here. There we go. Locking in more. Don't come down and hit this. Do not come down. Hit my take profit. Hit my fucking take profit. That's right, bitch. Day 1, $1,400 on a fucking master bulenox account. I'll take it. That's the fucking pump I wanted on these, man. Damn. That's what I wanted on these. Maxwell Jackson. Bro, what's your fucking problem, bro? Are you trying to be helpful or are you trying to be a jerk off? Which one is it? Yeah, Nate. I fucking blew a past one. Moo Moses. Moo Mooses. Moo Moo. Mr. Begbeef. I unpassed one a bunch of times. Recently, too. Look at this shit pop now. Of course it's popping now. After I blew both of these fucking evals. Fuck, man. Nathan Fuller, man, I'm sorry that happened to you, but at least you did get $12,000. You could always just buy new accounts. Pine Tree, what up? Also gifted, Dildzik. Yash, Free Humanity. You can, but you can't trade beyond 409. Trading is over for a Top Step in my funded futures. Which I totally forgot to trade this fucking account. Not the end of the world. I totally forgot to trade this account, this funded account. Yeah, Cody, because at 410, trading is over for the trading day ends at 10 after 4 for my funded futures, just like Top Step. Look at that fucking pump. Todd, what up? Yeah, I hear you, bro. I wouldn't have blown it up. Did you blow it up on purpose or you just fucked up? Alexander, what's good? Logan, what up? Dr. T, yeah, I don't know. Well charts is, dude, it doesn't even have this order block here. You can't even see the bid and the ask on it. It's kind of fucking whatever. But the only thing I like about it is Isaac, ZERODAYJay works for bulenox as well. For J91 or ZERODAYJay will work for 91% off of bulenox. What up, Tofik? But yeah, playing games. Thanks, man. They'll come. I mean, we peaked at 349. That's not even my highest ever, but it definitely got up there. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Let's get to 100 likes for the stream. This shit popped. How many points? Almost 100 points is up. 34 is incoming. Trevor LeConte, he's an OG. OG since I started my channel. Then he started hanging out on the streams, and he always would tell people to smash the like button. So we carried that along, and I always tell people to smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Or as Stock Tiger likes to say, he calls him Trevor McCunty. OG Bobby Johnson. Isaac, what do you mean? Isaac, what am I looking at? Expired? Oh, really? Yeah, earlier today. It's good. Should be good now. Let me just double check that. Let me double check that. I had to submit a ticket. No, it's working now. It works now because the deal expired last night, and then they extended it. So I had to submit a ticket and say, hey, can you make my code for the 91% off ZERODAYJay again? So they did. It's good now. But J91 or ZERODAYJay works for 91% off bulenox if you guys want to grab some accounts and support the channel. Whoops. Coffee buff. You are an OG, bro. Big Dave. Yeah, J91. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Isaac. That's like the default code I have set in there. It's so annoying. I gotta fucking. Thanks, Vince. Yeah, thanks for checking. I gotta. You know, it's a fucking pain. It's annoying. I gotta like anytime an offer expires, I have to like hit them up whenever the new offer comes, the new promotion. Be like, hey, can you make my coupon code 83% off for the 83% off deal, ZERODAYJay? I don't mind doing it because they get back to me quick. But you know, if it happens over the weekend, then I gotta wait until Monday. RM, what up? Yes, if you get denied, you got to trade 8 clean days. Just do, what is it, $50 or more? $50 or more for 8 days and you're good to go. Really 5 days, and then you can flip 3. What up, Kensha? Hampton, but yeah, a lot of people have been here since day one, man. I started streaming. It's been over a month. It's been over a month since I started, over a year. I started streaming a year ago. You know what else is coming up on my 1-year anniversary? Tomorrow's going to be my 1-year anniversary since I requested my first ever payout. That's fucking crazy. It's been a year since I got my first ever payout. It took me 7 months. Super pumped about that. We'll be celebrating. We're going to be celebrating with another fucking payout request, baby. All right. Let's see. I'm looking at something. I'm looking to see what I could grab. Why can't I reset this one? Apple's next. Apple is next. All right. All right. Let's see. Oh my God, man. Yeah. Look at that move. 57, 757, 100 points. I wonder if Apple's going to fucking dump. What's Amazon doing after hours? Hold on. Let's take a little peek at Amazon. Amazon's down 2.5%. 3%ish, almost 3%. What's Apple looking like? Yeah, nothing's happened yet. Apple's just waiting. They're next. Got a new 25K here. I actually had a reset credit because they charged me for a rebuild last week and Take Profit Trader. And I hit up support and like I never got the account. It was like for an expired account, something weird like that. It was like a phantom rebuild. It might have been a legit one. I don't even know. And I was like, hey, I got charged for an account I never got the account. Can I have the account? And I showed them and they're like, oh, we'll issue you a reset. We'll issue you a reset credit. So they did. I just used it on this 25K. So that was cool of them. They didn't give it to me right away, but a couple of days later, I had it in my account. It showed up last night. And I think I submitted the request on like Monday. I was talking to them about it. So kudos to them for doing the right thing. Michael Bennett, Floyd's Garage. Yeah, Amazon earnings. Yep. Amazon earnings dumped the fuck out of this. Dream Chaser. Are you asking about bulenox? Yeah, you could pass bulenox in one trade. One day, one trade, whatever you want. You could play pass to smash. If you're asking about the extension on bulenox is 91% off, it's good until the end of the day tomorrow. Alexander bought a new Apple phone yesterday to support the pump. Nice. I hope it works. You got a free credit for nothing 2 days ago? Hey, man. Say thank you. They probably meant to send it to someone else, but hey, are you going to hit them up and say, hey, you gave this to me by accident. You want it back? Nonstop trader. Uncle Mo. Uncle Mo's in the building. Any thoughts on tomorrow's NFP movement? Just expect it to move a lot. Ah, just ain't right. Was it a funded account? I hope it wasn't a funded account. Zayback, what up? Isn't it better to use a reset for a bigger account? Maybe, but I wanted a 25K, so I used it. That's yeah, dude. I did the same thing, bro. Look at this shit. I was up $605 in this account right here, with day 4 locked, and I said day 4 locked, and I tried to get a little more, and I ended up blowing the account because I just kept losing and losing and losing. Fucking awful. But hey, day fucking 6 in the books on these. I'll be requesting $6,000 on Monday, and I requested $2,000 yesterday. I'm requesting $2,000 tomorrow. So 10. That's a good. Obviously, I got to get approved, but it's a pretty good fucking start to the month of May. And I'm about to have $596 dumped into my wallet, which is going straight to my bank account. So I'm already at $596 for the month, $596. You know, on the 1st of May, no complaints there. No complaints. Let me make sure I'm in the right fucking account. Yo, the spread is crazy, guys. Just be careful with the spread. Look at the spread. 3 points so far. Look. 3 points. It's bouncing around between like 2 and 4 points. Spread wider than my X. Nice job playing games. Damn, you almost fucking wrecked that account. Way to recover. Eddie Kama, you have $1,200 left of drawdown. It's all right. That's a lot to work with. When is the earnings for Apple? It should be in like 3 minutes. I'm going to go get another cup of coffee. Be right back. Never mind. Coffee machine's off. Never mind. It should be in a couple of minutes. What's the new promotion for Apex? Nothing right now, unless you want to pay. Unless you think if you think 50% is a good deal. 50% off. Do I want to move this up more? It might dump. It might fucking dump. If it dumps, we'll see. $50 resets, that's not even a deal. It's not even a deal. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Oh my God. You're fucking annoying, bro. I feel like, oh, I almost got filled on that. Who's sending you here? Fucking Shooter McGavin? I feel like Shooter McGavin's hired this fucking clown to heckle me. Uh-oh. Keep pushing up. Oh. Oh, that was fucked up. Did you see that? At least it didn't cost me anything. It was a reset credit. Well, it did actually. That was fucked up. It literally filled me and then dumped. I was like, watch it fill me and then dump, and it did. That was so fucked up. Now it's going to go back up or not. That was awful. That was fucking awful. Non-stop trader. You guys ever see Happy Gilmore? And Shooter McGavin fucking hires some fucking loser to heckle Happy Gilmore during the golf match. I feel like this fucking clown Maxwell is one of those guys. We got a fucking Shooter McGavin in the prop firm streets. Coach Calvin, what up? Full tilt. Red Lobster nearby. I fucking wrecked that account. That's so fucked up. I haven't, but I'm sure they're coming. I'm sure they're coming, bro. JC Trades. So weird. Get some rest, bro. You have traded all 3 sessions. Actually, I didn't, okay? But thanks. Fucking weirdo. Imagine subscribing to someone's channel and sitting there for 5 minutes just to be a jerk off. I think that this was Apple right here. How much are resets? All resets are $50 right now. What up, F Trades? Yeah, I heard that shit, bro. They brought back the fucking... Yo, that fucking daily loss limit was supposed to be gone all of May. He reneged on his own deal. No, they got rid of... Yeah, Alfred, a lot of weirdo behavior. A lot of weirdo behavior on my streams for some reason. Yeah, they had a promotion where they said no more daily loss limit on starter through the entire month of May. And then they fucking about-faced on it already. Keto, they didn't bring them back. Apex is just $50 resets. They've had better deals though. You used to be able to reset accounts for $35. $50 is like, dude, they had $50 resets when I first started trading with them in fucking 2000 at the end of 2023. I guess Apple was bad. Let's see. Apple's down 2% so far. So I did awful. I actually passed 2 accounts and I unpassed one like a dumb fuck. It's always when I fucking have one pass and I trade it by accident, it goes the other way. It never goes up double. Master Joe, great job, bro. Great job. Great job. Way to get that first ever payout. Now that's the first of many. Apple beat earnings, but they're down. What is it? Was the outlook not good? Great Dane. Yeah. Hey, pound that confetti like roast beef for Master Joe, getting his first ever payout. It took him 13 months to get his first payout. Listen, man, everybody's on their journey. I've had people in here say it took even longer. Some people, it's been like 2 or 3 years before they got their first payout. Yeah, My Funded Futures. Yeah, they brought it back. It was supposed to be a promotion for the month of May, and one day goes by and they already fucking... Dez, maybe. That might be a violation of the 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. What up, Johnny? Apple might be affected hard. Weren't they trying to make some exceptions so Apple doesn't get fucked? You know what's crazy about Apple? It costs them like fucking $5 to make those phones or less. And they're selling them to us for fucking $1,500. Yeah. Still no daily loss until Sunday. If I could get a payout, anyone can? Okay, bro. How many fucking... Okay. Is that your way of saying I suck at trading? I would echo that sentiment, but I don't know. I don't know what kind of context you put that in. And considering you just created this YouTube account 2 days ago, I'm still trying to figure out if you're who I think you are. No, I've seen a video. It doesn't cost that much, bro. It doesn't cost nearly as much. I've seen a video. I seen a video on the internet. Just the other day, they were talking about how little it cost. Jamila, yeah. It doesn't matter, McLovin. But I'm about to fucking, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do with you. Cover blown like my eval. I hope you're not. I just hope you're not. But whatever. I don't even give a fuck. Jim Blob. Playing games. I don't know. I just saw a video the other day and the guy was breaking it down. It was like fucking peanuts. I'm not triggered at all. Eddie McDiddy. So Apple beats earnings, but they're worried about tariffs. So they're down. We didn't drop a huge amount. Not yet, at least. Amazon dropped a lot more. Amazon dropped 923. Amazon dropped like 170 points. 167 points. Yeah, Nate. I mean, I'm doing okay. I could be doing a lot better. But May is starting off fucking spectacularly. As long as I get approved on these payout requests. Right? I got this one still pending. I didn't violate any rules that I know of. I got this one right here. I just need one more flip day, which I'm gonna take care of when the market reopens. And then tomorrow after the market closes, we'll have another payout request party for anyone who wants to hang out. I know it's Friday, but whatever. It's always fun to celebrate the wins. Yeah, here comes Apple bouncing. Damn, bro. We need Trump to come on and say, Apple will not be affected by the tariffs. I trade whenever. I got fucking fucked around with so hard yesterday after being up. I'm just an idiot. I just fucking, this account was up $605. Look. And I said, I'm done for the day. I literally said day 4 locked. Day 4 locked. And then I just thought I saw something. And I was like, oh, let me see if I could push this to max payout land on day 4. And that's when the fucking trouble started. So it's my fault for being a greedy fuck. I could have just done that on day 5 and just left it alone. I'd be at 3,400 after 4 days. All I would really need is a $50 fucking flip, a $50 day, and then I could flip the rest of the way. But no, this is one of the things I'm working to fucking stop doing. And I fucking did it again. And then I was so fucking pissed about that. I was like, all right, I'm going to fucking trade these now. I'm going to revenge trade and get these up and be done for the day with these. And I fucking blew these too. Like that's the shit I'm working on fucking eliminating from my fucking mind state. Nothing that's already, nothing, I didn't unpay, I didn't fuck myself out of any payouts. This Apex right here, this PA, this account was looking amazing. Amazon tumbled on soft AWS revenue. Okay. Oh, Mario, what up? I did. Well, I can't. Oh, well, I can't trade. I did withdraw. I withdrew like early in the morning because it took them forever to make accounts able to be withdrawn for whatever they did yesterday. So I withdrew $720 at like 3 o'clock in the morning. And it's going to be 500 and what is it? 720 times 0.8. So I got paid on day one. This is day two, right? The second day having the account. So I got paid 2 days in a row, but it hasn't come out. It's not in my wallet. It's not in my wallet yet. It's still in the account. So I'm not touching the shit until it goes from the account to the wallet. Once it goes into the wallet, then I'm in the clear. And I can't do anything to fuck myself out of that payout. I've already unpaid myself once before with Take Profit Trader. I'm not doing it again. Yeah, no, I'm not growing it. No fucking way. I mean, I do want to grow it. I'm just, no. When I can request money, I take the money every fucking time because I've done so many dumb things thinking I could grow the account further and get a little more. Like last night with 282. Just like last night. This is this type of behavior is what I need to fucking eliminate. Or if I could cut it in half. If I could cut this behavior in half, I'd be fucking unstoppable. Bowser, like literally. It's always so funny when you think you're smarter than the market and the market fucking reminds you who's in fucking charge. Marcin. Did this shit just pump or dump, I mean? What are we doing here? Yeah, bro. Eddie Kama. It's fucking annoying. I'm just tired of doing, like, repeating the same bad behavior. I'm gotten better. Like, obviously, I got these, like, I'm not touching this shit. I don't touch accounts usually that I'm waiting on payouts with Apex anyway, unless my balance is huge. My balance is pretty big on this, but I'm still not going to touch it. I'm at $4,858. Like, I'm $758 over max payout land. I'm just not touching it until I get paid or until they approve or deny whatever they decide to do. Even though I didn't violate any rules, that's what, that's where I'm at. It's that, do you know what it is? Stock, cards, and bets. Like, I think I'm a decent trader. It's like when you fucking think, when you just think you can get the job done and then you just don't. And then the other part is when it's not happening and I keep fucking re-entering thinking I'm going to get it back. It's like at that point, it's like, that's when I need to learn that's another thing I need to learn how to fucking deal with too. Yeah, paralysis, piece of cake. Well, Corey, I mean, that's a great job building the account back up. And then the other account, that's the cool thing about My Fund the Futures. If you hit the daily loss limit, you don't lose the account. Fuck yeah, Day Trader Cut. Great job, and thank you. I appreciate the support, man. Thank you. By the way, for some of you guys that weren't here before, bulenox extended their 91% off deal. I love that shit. I love hearing shit like that, Day Trader Cut. 91% of bulenox until option 150Ks or bigger until end of May 2nd. End of tomorrow. End of tomorrow night. You're going to use the best code ZERODAYJAY. It's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate. Take Profit Trader still 30% off with no activation fee, which is amazing. You could literally, is this dog serious right now? You could literally have a funded Take Profit Trader account where you could get paid after day one and every single day for as little as $105. Wow, this shit came all the way back down. Motherfucker. What's the matter? What's that? You gotta make? You gotta go out or something? Sorry, guys. The old man was barking to come in here, and I don't know what he wants. He probably wants me to feed him. What up, Al? Double bottom. We got to whack Arnold's W forming. Just ain't right. Kenny, my wife is doing a rover walk right now, so she'll be back in a little bit. Dakota saying his code is the best code. He has a code? He has a code? He's saying the oh. Are you Al, is he really saying that, bro? Get me a clip. I want to hear this shit. I want to see with my own eyes. Post a clip in the Discord. Let me drop the Discord link for anybody who wants to join it. The best community on these prop firm streets. That's fucking funny. They posted a video of me yesterday talking about when I was on Top Step TV. I was talking about post payout degenerate syndrome. They posted it on Top Step, and then it got deleted. I wonder if Paytac was like, "Yo, take that shit down. We don't want to be. We don't want people promoting that. We don't want people engaging in that type of behavior or encouraging it." I don't know. Nobody knows why. I hit up Tim. He doesn't know why it got taken down because he thought it was funny. Don't worry, I ripped it though. I'm gonna post it on my own Twitter and my fucking Instagram. I gotta grow my Instagram. Trade day 40% off is ending soon, Alfred. Thanks for letting me know. We got NFP tomorrow, guys, so be careful. NFP tomorrow. This is the one that really moves the market. Non-farm payroll. Where is that shit? You got hourly earnings, unemployment rate. This is going to be a big mover. Probably 200 points in either direction or both directions. Maybe more. Got one more of these for the fucking road. Is this going to keep going up? Trying to get I want to get some more fun to take profit trader accounts because they're great. Oh yeah, Mr. Begbie, of course. Just keep saying my fucking name. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you. I think so. I don't think there's any rules against trading red folder events, Jack. You're 2K away from blowing an Apex account? That's nothing, bro. Well, how big? What account size? What account size is it? $2,000 a drawdown is more than enough. Non-stop trader. Yo, thanks for popping in, bro. I appreciate it. What are we doing here? We're going to go back down, or it's just moving fucking slow as shit now. Well, that's 27 points. It's not that. It's not small of a move. Order rejected. Awesome. Watch it fucking pump now. Yep. Order rejected. I tried to buy at fucking 794. It's up fucking 8 points. Fuck you. Jesus fucking Christ, man. Piece of shit. Just my fucking, that's just how it's going for me right now. Today, at least. I unpassed the fucking past Apex account. I blew a bunch of funded accounts being a dumb fuck. Be good, Mr. Beg Beef. Training for keeps, I know. I just want to get a trade. I just want to get a trade day in with this account. And I couldn't even, they couldn't even fucking fill me on that. I got rejected. Jay Jackson. Yes, sir. Yo, hanging out with other streamers? Glad you made it. Of course it's going down. I mean, is it rejecting off of this right here? You fucking piece of shit, man. I wanted to get filled down here. I'm sure it's going to come all the way back. That's where I wanted to get filled. Look at it. Amazing. Amazing. Well, I'm an idiot because it keeps rejecting off the fucking 1 minute, the 1 minute 21 here. But hey, let me get filled right at the 1 minute 21. JK. Unbelievable, Jay Jackson. Unfucking believable, bro. I'm shutting down the studio. Jay Jackson was hanging out with another fucking streamer. Get up there, bitch. I know, bro. I'm only fucking with you, man. There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people streaming. Alfred, it's just blasphemy, bro. It's blasphemy. Yeah, M. Schultz. Tell him. Tell him in the chat. Tell him in the chat. This is why I don't want my dogs in here. This is why I don't want my dogs in here when I'm streaming, because when someone comes home and they want to fucking go say hi, and I have to get up 400 goddamn million thousand times. Get up there, bitch. Really? Yeah, my funded futures doesn't like when you trade red folder events with funded accounts. You could do whatever you want with evals, just not with funded accounts. Can we push a little more? I don't know if it's going to push anymore. It might. It might also go reverse and go down a fuck ton. Not a fuck ton, but like 10, 15 points. I don't want to go down 10, 15 points. So I'm going to leave my stop here. And whatever happens, happens. I got a day in. Yeah, look, see? Look at that. It's just like, oh my God, he let go of his stop. Let's fucking take him out. So stupid. Now it's gonna go. Where was my take profit? Good thing I got out, right? It fucking knew. It knew. Yeah, that's what I was worried about happening. That's why I was like, fuck it. Ew, look at that. It did it. What did it drop? 12 points? Coming back up now? Uh-oh. Is it going to reject here? Or is it going to keep pushing? Just remember, guys, with Take Profit Trader and like trade day, make sure you close out your trades before the market closes, or you're going to lose the account. Automatically lose the account. Push up a little more, bitch. Let's go. Push up, mother. Come on. No? Damn. Damn, homie. I think I had like 200 something dollars. It's going to do it on the 59th minute. The 59th minute, it's going to pump. Minute 58. All right, I'm out. Got a little more. Got a little more, baby. JT. Well, it's that time of day, and yeah, we got this fucking all this earnings shit. Yo, Jim Blob, did you? Yeah, you probably shouldn't be traded a pro account at this time of day. Mystic Rick, what up? Just my style. Triple bottom. It's a triple rainbow. All right. Let's see what the last minute does. What does what mean? Jay Measy. Where's Miss Goody? I don't know. Was she here earlier? I don't know. She might have been hanging out with another streamer. She's too good for me. Yeah, that might be it. I remember Slick Rick. It's a double rainbow. What's the max you can lose on a 50K Apex funded account in a day? DBT. I don't know, man. On a funded, I don't think they have rules against trading red folder events. I'm not 100% sure though. I mean, you could do whatever you want with evals, right? That doesn't matter. So the max you can lose on a funded account in a day is 20. You have a $2,500 drawdown, trailing drawdown on a 50K. If you're talking about because of the 30% drawdown rule, if you're under the buffer, it's 30% of 2,500. If you're over the buffer, it's 30% of whatever you're over the buffer. Oh, they do. See, yeah, see, I don't know. See, that's why I don't even fuck with it. They don't want you trading news. I forgot. See, I don't even pay attention to shit like that. I just stay away. I wasn't 100% sure. I know Take Profit Trader doesn't want you trading non-farmer payroll with funded accounts. I don't think Apex cares about micro scalping. Yeah, you could do whatever you want with evals. They don't give a fuck. You could gamble the fuck out of evals. I don't think Apex cares about micro scalping though, Des. The triple rainbow says it's a double rainbow. What does this mean? Yeah, Top Step doesn't care. All right. I'm going to bounce. Thank you so much. Oh, let's take a quick little refresh. Let's have a little refresh party. Anything? Nope, still pending. All right, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor Leconte. I will be streaming later I'll be doing a whip stream because my son has soccer practice. So if you guys are around 10:30, 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern, I will be hopping on, be hanging out in the car, streaming, hopefully trading. And then hopefully I don't pass out and fucking sleep through the overnight because I do like streaming during the overnight. So worst comes to worst, I'll see you for Power Hour 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. Thanks again for hanging out. Enjoy the rest of your day.